This video is created to offer a cure to financial anxiety the world is going through right now. If you had watched or read the news lately, it is full of scary terms like recession, inflation, market crash, interest rate increase, job cuts, financial crisis. The list goes on and on. This is your wake-up call. It does not look like things will get back to normal anytime soon. In fact, we have lost the definition of what is normal. The tragedy that surrounds loss of income or low income today is because majority depends on one source of income to survive. According to Warren Buffett, never depend on a single income, make investments to create a second source. The opposite is true in our economy today. Majority of people have one stream of income, and that is usually a job. Do you know that literally about 63% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? Our economy just isn't working for most regular people anymore. Majority can't live without their salary for 3 months. What does that really mean? There's financial anxiety going on in our world right now, and that is shaking our job markets. More jobs are being eliminated with computers and technology, and this trend is increasing every day. The study conducted by Oxford University reveals that 47% of jobs in the US are at risk of being automated in the next 20 years. If you're in a highly paid profession right now, you might be feeling a sense of security. You might have this thought going through your mind right now: I earn a lot of money. You should rather not be too comfortable, but start thinking about, how can I put money into creating additional streams very quickly to accelerate my growth towards financial freedom? The phrase job security used to be popular, but it basically does not exist any longer, even in big corporations. Corporations are now downsizing. People now lose their jobs or become redundant unexpectedly. Job security is an illusion. You might be thinking, well, I'm self-employed. What if your major clients have a change of circumstances which are beyond their control, and they have to make the decision to stop doing business with you? In recent times, people that own businesses have been forced to stop operations and close their doors due to the pandemic that hit the world unaware. Literally, their source of income just stopped with no backup or plan B. I have 2 quick questions for you to test how financially stable you are. 1. Can you just walk away from your job for 6 months without feeling any impact or an adjustment to your current lifestyle and financial commitments? 2. Will you survive comfortably within those 6 months? If the answer to any of the 2 questions above is no, it means you can't live life by choice right now. You have to actively start thinking about additional streams of income. If what you're making right now is not even enough to sustain you for 6 months, then what do you think is going to happen when you reach retirement age? Do you even have a retirement plan? You can begin to see why it is a very risky lifestyle to rely on one stream of income. Think for a moment about the impact of the global pandemic. How about unforeseen life-changing events that might impact you or stop you from working? And how about your employer's sudden decision to release you? They sound scary, right? Thinking of these scenarios actually begins to open up your mind towards raising up to taking the captain responsibility of your own ship. Right now, you should be thinking about 1. How can I multiply my stream of income? 2. What else can I consider right now that can help me generate more income streams? Because if 100% of your income is coming from one source, it is indeed a risky situation to be in. You want to be able to diversify your income to ensure abundance at any given moment or situation, because the limitation of one stream can be covered up by another stream. On a serious note, there is no stream of income that is perfect. What you can do is to combine streams of income that complement one another, so that the lapse of one is covered by the availability of another. It can be difficult to figure out exactly how to create new streams. However, it is also important to avoid shiny object syndrome. Don't chase every opportunity that looks great to be true. Do your due diligence and stick to what you can understand. In an ideal world, it can take a tremendous amount of time, effort, and energy to build another stream of income, but you need to find a way to do it. Keep your focus on one and make it work. Dedicate enough time to see it come to life. Think about it like women who have to experience physical pain or discomfort for 9 months during pregnancy to nurture an unborn baby, but they stay hopeful and focus on the arrival of their little bundle of joy. It's not necessarily a case of you working hard because most people work hard. But you have to work smart and actively seek for new opportunities. One way to start thinking about this is, you really want to be in a position where you could be earning money in your sleep. That is the dream scenario. You can't physically work 24 hours a day to make extra income. If you can't figure out how to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So, if you need to learn new skills or leverage other people's skills to make your multiple streams of income happen, you need to get at it. Don't just let time pass on and on. At this point, it is no longer a debate as to whether you need multiple streams of income or not. It is key to stress that you need safe and reliable sources of income that will last in our new normal society of today. When you diversify your income, you have more control and balance. And that's a powerful position to be in. Why not come up with 4 things you can do that will earn you extra income? When you have multiple streams of income set up this way, it now simply means you have some cushions. So, if 2 of your sources become inconsistent for whatever reasons, you can still rely on the other 2 to support your lifestyle. Here is the promising and the best part: when you begin to get different streams of income coming in, the less of a slave you become to the work which you're doing right now. If you're just relying on one source of income, you have to do it regardless of whether you enjoy doing it or not, because you need to eat. You need to pay bills, you need to survive. So, you need to go to work and do your job no matter what. But the moment you start getting different streams of income, you can actually start to pick and choose what you spend your time doing. If there's one stream of revenue that takes too much of your energy or resources and you don't enjoy it, then you can stop doing it because you have other streams of income to fall back on. You can decide to rather spend more time doing more of what you love and enjoy. You can also spend your time to focus on increasing income from the other streams. I hope this video challenges you and makes you ponder on what your next, at least 4 streams of income should be. Now, let's move on to the takeaway exercises from this video. I suggest you invest some time to complete these exercises. 1. List out what other stream of income you would like to have right now. 2. What are the potential blockers that are stopping you right now from setting them up? 3. What will have to happen to eliminate these blockers, so you could have your multiple streams of income in place as soon as possible? 4. How would you feel if you could add 2 more income streams that generate the same level of your current income?